Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Let's talk about kids' success. So, how to judge kids' success? Is your kid successful or not? Let's check first of all. Is he or she a social genius? So, social genius is a term which shows kids' understanding with others. So dear parents, if you want to make your kids social genius, never ever do a mistake to isolate them. After it, you will check does he or she an initiative or not. Initiative is a sign of courage. It shows willpower of a kid and it helps to boost the confidence. Kid become problem solving after little initiations. So if you want to make your kid initiative, let them do what they want in a specific boundary. After that, you have to check are they sharing and caring or they want to reserve their things and reserve their self. See who are their role models and who are their ideals. They must be the superheroes. Their ideal must be true person because kids always try to follow their ideals, their role models. Being a role model is the most powerful form of educating. Tell them morality, make them complex free, and make them organic and original. After that, check their learning attitude. Leave them free and see what they do, observe their behavior with other kids. Are they harsh with them? And are they lenient and polite? If they are harsh, you must have to change yourself because they are copying you. It's a special instruction for you. Learn to ignore and teach to ignore. If you learn how to ignore the bad thing, how to ignore others' harsh and harmful behaviors, your kid will know and learn how to ignore others.